you guys enjoyed the little cinematics. I know it wasn't probably the best, but I tried to do something there. But I hope you guys enjoyed the unbox video for the clutch. Yeah, so I do plan on installing this myself. I never done the clutch before, but I figure it'll be a great opportunity just to do it on the Jetta for the first time. Like, why not learn how to do a clutch on your own whip? Like, why not? So I'm not sure how I'm gonna do it. It's not gonna be a DIY type of video. It's just gonna be like time lapse, you know. I don't know, I'm gonna figure it out, but it's most likely gonna be a time lapse. And then I'm just gonna, you know, go from there. Right now, what I have in the clutch right now is a self-bend stage 2 clutch. It's a daily in there. It feels like OEM, but I want something aggressive. I know most people are gonna be like, why didn't I go with the Clutch Master? I don't know, I just wanted to do something a little different, so I figured why not just give this company a try. Not a lot of people go with the Clutch Master, so I just figured, like, you know, just try to just do something a little different, you know. So I just went with the Black Forest Industries. Yeah, from the side of that, the Clutch Master, I always hear a lot of good things about them. But it would be pretty dope that if I did go with the Clutch Master, like the white pressure plate, like that would look nice. Even though you won't see it, but it would be nice because, you know, the Jetta's white, so it will look clean. But, you know, like I said, I just figured just go with these dudes and go from there. Yeah, these are the two things that well, I know I showed you guys this in the last video, but all this I plan on installing myself. Like, again, like, you know, it's just stuff I can do, so I just figured, like, just I want to be part of the build somewhat, so I figured, you know, I'll give you guys some content, me working on the whip, you know, fuel pump, and again, that's the fuel filter right there, fuel pump right there, and then fuel filter. But thank y'all for watching. I hope y'all enjoyed the video. Stay tuned for the next one. I got a lot of updates. Yeah, also for the updates, I'm not really too sure what exactly I want to do as far as, like, if I'm gonna have like an update for every time I hear an update, or if I just want to just throw like maybe 2 different updates in one video, and then another 2 updates in the next video. Also, I have a bunch of other videos that are done. Just be patient, because, like, I don't want to just be putting out videos out right now, and it's like, you know, the build is going to take some time. It's getting fully rebuilt, so it's going to take some time. So I don't want to just be pumping out videos and then, you know, I come to a dead end stop, and it's like, damn, like, what's next? Or I don't have an update to let you guys know. So I'm just trying to play a little bit of smart, trying to plan it out a little bit. And like I said, I got probably like 3 videos done, or maybe 2 videos done, and then I have, like, in the process of editing a few other videos. So yeah, so the next video is going to be me dropping the car off. The car will be going to the shop. So just, you know, stay tuned for that video. It may, as far as for the build, that would be the next video, but as far as in the future, it could be a different video. But I just wanted this, you know, for the build, that is going to be the next video. So it's been 9 months since the build started. So yeah, just stay tuned for the updates. Like, comment, subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.